Hello, my name is Christy Ahn, and this is the Lesson 24 worksheet for Bylock, 3rd grade. So the first worksheet asks us to find the missing blank, and so here we have 11 minus 5 for number 1. 11 minus 5 equals 6, 5 plus 6 equals 11, 11 minus blank equals 5. So basically what we do is we look to see 11 minus what would equal 5, and we know that 11 minus 6 equals 5. An easier shortcut would be to look at the numbers in the previous equations given. So here we have 11, 5, and 6, 11, 5, and 6. We have 11 and 5, which means that in the blank, a 6 should go. Let's try another example. Let's try number 9. 40 plus 4 equals 44. 4 plus 40 equals 44. 44 minus what equals 40. So here we have our 40s, we have our 44s, and 4, so we know that the 4 should go in the blank over here. Okay, multiplication. So, number 1, 3 times 6. 3 times 6 is basically the same thing as having 3 groups of 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's one group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's two group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's 3 groups. 3 groups of 6. Now we count the singular small circles. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we can see that there are 18 total circles. So that is the answer. 9 times 10, when you're multiplying by a 10, you can just replace the 1 with the number you're multiplying by, so your answer would become 90. For number 4, we have 1 times 11. The answer is 11 because it's multiplied by 1, but if it were to be multiplied by a different number, let's say 5, then the answer would be 55. So it's basically the number that's being multiplied by 11 just 2 times. Okay. Next we have addition. Addition, let's do number 1, 65 plus 13. So we do long addition, 65 plus 13. And we go 5 plus 3 is 8, 6 plus 1 is 7. So we get our answer, which is 78. Let's try number 6, 29 plus 48. So we do long multiplication. 29 plus 48. It doesn't matter which number goes on top or bottom for addition, my bad. So 9 plus 8, we get 17, so we put the 7 in the ones place and bring over the ones to the tens place. Then we go 4 plus 2 is 6, plus the 1 that we brought over here, and we get 7. So the answer to number 6 should be 77. Okay, lastly we have word problem. Sally has a total of 26 baseball cards to sell. She is able to sell 14 of the cards to Sammy. How many cards does Sally have left to sell? Okay, so she has a total of 26 baseball cards, and she sells 14 of the cards. So 26 minus 14, 6 minus 4 is 2, 2 minus 1 is 1, so we get 12 cards left. Mark has 10 buttons. He buys 6 more from the store, but loses 3 of them. How many buttons does he have left? So he originally has 10, and he buys 6 more. So 10 plus 6, we get 16. He loses 3 of them, so how many does he have left? So 16 minus 3, we get 13, so he has 13 buttons left. Don't forget to label your units. So units would be buttons in this case, and in number 1, the units would be cards. Johnny shares his candy evenly with his 10 friends at school. He has a total of 50 pieces of candy. If he gives out all of his candy evenly to his friends, how many does each friend get? Okay, so he has 10 friends at school, and he has a total of 50 pieces of candy, and we want to spread them evenly. So we do 50 divided by 10, and we get 5. So each friend gets 5 pieces of candy. Okay, lastly, number 4. Amber has made 600 different kinds of earrings to sell on Etsy. Half of the earrings are gold, 1/4 are silver, and the rest are multicolored. How many gold earrings does she have? Okay, so over here it says 1/2 of the earrings are gold. So you can disregard 1/4 are silver and the rest are multicolored. Those are just details, minor details that are used to confuse you. So out of the 600, 1/2 of the earrings are gold. So we would divide 600. Or we can do 600 times 1/2, which is the same thing as doing 2 divided by 600. And we get For both, we get the same answer, and that's 300. So 2, how many times does 2 go into 6? 3 times. 2 times 3 is 6. Bring down the 0. How many times does 2 go into 0? 0 times. 2 times 0 is 0. Bring down the 0. How many times does 2 go into 0? 0, so we get 300. 300 gold earrings is our answer. Okay, I hope you get everything now, and I hope you have a great rest of the week. Bye!